Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will learn how to use arrays. If I create a variable of integer I is equal to 10, so I can store only one value in that. If you want to store more than one value or a group of similar data types in a single variable, you can make use of array. For example, I want to store a collection of even numbers. So let's see how it works. So I want to create an array. I want to create an array of integer numbers and brackets. These brackets indicates an array and name even number and how many integer do you want to store. For example, I want to store 5, so new keyword integer, and again within brackets specify the size of array. And how to store integer value. Now I want to store integer value, so I'm gonna write the first element even number brackets and 0. First element always assigned with 0 in array. This is our first element and we are assigning it to 0. First even number and like that. Let me copy this. Second even number, let me copy this again. Third even number and the value is 4. Fourth and the value is 6. It's fourth even number, and the last fifth even number. Eighth. So these are my 5 even numbers, and if I want to print console dot write line. So friends, if I want to print a specific even number, like I want to print third even number, the third number even number is 4. I want to print this even number. So what I'm gonna do, write line even number and the number of that even number, index number of third even number. Third even number is 4 and the index number of this even number is 2. So I'm gonna specify this here 2. Okay, and let me run this. 4. Our third even number is 4. Okay friends, that's all for now. Thank you.